Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels from daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, October 18th. At 6 AM we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we don't have any high impact news for major currency pairs today. Let us begin our gold analysis. And we already know from the past price action that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend because the price action is still trading below this resistance line or a trend line from the daily time frame. And looking at the past price action, we have noticed a very strong inverse hammer candle to be formed over here, and also there is no wicks being formed over here, which shows that there is a very strong bullish trend starting or end of a bearish trend at this point. Because in the past also we have noticed a similar candle to be formed over here. Then we have noticed a next candle to open above the previous body's high, then to continue its bullish trend. And currently also we are noticing the price action to form a candle above the, and currently also we are noticing the price action to open near to the previous body's high. Let us wait and see if the price action starts its bullish side retracement from this level or not. In today's price action it has to cross previous high, which is going to be around 1668, in order to get the confirmation on the start of the bullish side retracement. But still, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, it will only be a retracement. It is not a trend reversal for now in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks the previous low, which is around 1640, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. And next level of support is going to be around 1614, which is the previous low from where it started its bullish side retracement. So these are all going to be the current resistance and support levels for daily time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1657 and support level of 1636. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1636, next level of support is going to be around 1614, which is also the previous low. And only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. As long as the price action is trading above this support level, it will only be a bearish side retracement. It is not a bearish trend reversal. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1657, next level of resistance is going to be around the level of 1684. And still, if the bullish side retracement continues, we can expect it to retest the resistance line from the daily time frame. So for now, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the previous candle, which is the inverse hammer candle low, in order to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break the high in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame, I am drawing a resistance line. So based on this resistance line, we can understand that every time the price action tests this resistance line, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And as long as it is trading below this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. And when we draw a support line from the past price action, I am connecting the lows over here. So we can understand that the current price action is consolidating within this resistance and support line. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side, breaking this support line, or wait for it to break this resistance line to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Currently it is in a consolidation within this resistance and support line in the 4 hours time frame. The bearish side momentum has also come to an halt for now. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed it to trend on the bearish side within this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. As long as the price action is trading within this resistance and support line, we can expect the consolidation to continue in hourly time frame also. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take the directional trade in hourly time frame also. Breakout means the candle has to close above this trend line or the support line in order to get the confirmation on the breakout. Don't enter into the trade on a hurry. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within this resistance line and the support line. Wait for a proper directional breakout in order to take trades on the direction of the breakout. It could be on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Please wait for the confirmation on the breakout before entering into the trade. And current price action is trading between the resistance level of 1651, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1657, 1662, 1667, 1675 and 1684. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1641, next level of support is going to be around 1636. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal from this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame on the bearish side retracement. I'm drawing a resistance line or a trend line, and currently the price action has given breakout from this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame on a bullish side retracement. Again it has bounced back from the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame on the bearish side retracement, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this support line on the bullish side retracement. For 30 minutes time frame also, wait for the price action to break this 4 hours time frame resistance line in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this support line or the trend line from the 4 hours time frame in order to get confirmation on the continuation of the bearish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1651 and support level of 1646, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1654, 1657, 1661 and 1668, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1646, next level of support is going to be around 1640 and 1636. And current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation within this resistance and support line from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels in 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1652 and support level of 1646, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1646, next level of support is going to be around 1642, and if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1652, next level of resistance is going to be around 1655, 1657, 1660, 1663 and 1668. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.